keep it flat! Keep it flat on brake! If you're of the opinion that it's better to drive slow cars fast than the other way around, then you are in for a surprise. Or a very positive one. Because today, I wouldn't call it a slow car. It just has maybe less than 100 horsepower. Maybe exactly 100, we don't know. But it has less than 800 kilos. 750?
750, 700-ish.
Is that like without fluids?
With fluids, without driver.
Yeah, yeah. So with me, 850, still good. Quite good. I think it's good. It's less than anything. It's like less than Civic as of now, but won't be in the future. Anyway, we have Micra or Micra, depends which country or language pronunciation you're coming from. K11, not a K20, but K11. Two different tires with NS2Rs on the back, and on the front is something.
Devanti.
Yeah, they were good, and the car is very spicy setup because it actually really oversteers when you steer more than like half the corner. It actually helps you to rotate even more, which was really cool. But yeah, if you're not used to it, you might end up somewhere in the barrier or in the grass. My favorite mod of this whole car is the steering wheel extension. So it changes the driver position absolutely completely. Good bucket seats also are very nice, and it just makes you so much controllable one with the car. It was very cool. For the rest, it had exhaust, right, or something?
Yeah, so it's got a homemade intake on it, and then a full Gisrab 2.5-inch stainless exhaust on it, manifold and everything back.
And that's kind of it,
yeah, so
mostly.
Polybushed everywhere.
That's the main thing.
Rear arms.
Yeah. Suspension also had something.
Yeah, so it's Gisrab their own coilovers.
Yeah. Very cool.
Full parts catalog.
Yeah, I loved it. I done a lap with it and it was very cool. So yeah, I guess enjoy the lap. Off we go. Here's something what's not allowed. I wonder what. Okay, yeah, we're in the car. Let's try to do a lap. I'm excited. That's a good start. Revving engine. The main job of today's lap is going to keep momentum. Fast R8. Yeah. Alright. Chop. Fast R is behind us. To the right while still staying flat. Watching out for potentially lock up of the tires. Come on. Woohoo! Come on! Yeah. Okay, so fast RS coming through. Gotta really monitor the traffic ahead of us, behind us. Tires are warm enough, I hope. Right. So far I'm enjoying like really this weight balance. Oh, that's nice. You can actually lift off oversteer with it. I'm flat throughout the whole thing. Just lift a bit. Woo! Oh yeah, that was a nice slide. I don't know if you saw it, but the back end stepped out. So it's actually quite cool. Oh yeah. Let's go. Okay, fast RS coming through. Easy coming through. Can I move over to the right even more? Come on, pass. There we go. One more. Let's go, boys. Give me some draft. Give me the draft. 5th gear, yes. Maximum attack. Oh, is the speedometer even high? It's working. I didn't see it. Chilling. Flat on the gas. Overschweden, Kreuz. Don't lift. Could have taken it flat, but maybe not today. maybe a bit close to the other car, I have to admit. Come on, boy, keep it flat! Keep it flat on brake! Come on! Come on, Clio! Battle of Titans. That was nice! Give me 20 more horsepower, I'm not asking for a lot. I love like the handleability, 700 kilos. Gives me an idea of what the Civic might be one day. It's so funny. Limits here, it's probably because of an accident, so it shows us to do 100, we're doing exactly 100, so we're good. Yeah, we're approaching a very boring part with this car, obviously, the, what's it called, the climb, where we're not gonna have enough horsepower. Oh man, but after that, I think we're gonna have lots of fun with the car dancing. I freaking love the handling of this. This is really, 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 really cool and good and fun. Yes, we're missing a bit of horsepower, but to be fair, to drive this car on, well, we can say actually on the limit. It's not that I drive it on the limit intentionally to do stupid stuff, but it's because the limit is quite close. It's not that powerful car, therefore you are actually on the limit with it. And the thing is, once it rotates, and if you panic, and it scares you, you're gonna have a bad time. If you're gonna do French fries instead of pizza, you're gonna have a bad time, okay? So, although I love the setup, I can understand when someone might say like, I don't have enough power. That it might be actually on the dangerous side, but that's always like, you know, when you do a spicy setup with a race car, you also need to drive it on the limit, otherwise it just doesn't work, so maybe too much. And that's it. We are gonna enjoy the right side of the track because we just don't have enough powers. Oh man, I'm afraid to shift to fourth. Will it still accelerate? It does actually, it's not bad. Usually these kind of cars are like, no, I cannot. Kill me, please. But this little Micra is on the power. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No one behind us, just the Clio. Good vibes. How's your day been today? We are keeping it flat. Flat through curve, flat through corner. With no name. I've been through the Nürburgring, through the corner with no name. Fast Lotus incoming. And he's gonna pass us. And then he's gonna go on brakes again. Because we are keeping it flat through here, but he's stepping on the brake. And something is smoking. I hope it's not. It's not on fire. The ring of fire. fire. A ring of fire. Let's stop the shifting. What's the smoke coming from? Oh man, that's not good. Add some diesel. Is he with the broken suspension? Look at this back wheel lift. Alright. That's it. The guy saw me and instantly went like I loved it. Yeah, it's missing like 20-30 horsepower just to be a bit more faster. Maybe 50 of course on a very good day. But it's like I said, I really enjoyed it. Really enjoyable lap. You don't need much power to have fun. If you don't have much power, it's just important not to have too much weight. And good chassis setup, that everything is just stiff and tight and you have optimal control. It was really good fun. It was amazing. So yeah, perfect. Not much more to say or to add or to wish for. Really enjoyed. So alrighty. Aircon, windows open, and off we go back. Really had fun. Hope you guys as well, because that was nice.